Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the best credit cards for building credit. So it's so many people out there that's just trying to build their credit and they don't understand that you have to get credit cards to build your credit. So they're saying, hey Rickita, I need to delete these accounts from my credit reports, but they don't understand too. Not only do you need to delete accounts, you need to add more accounts. Credit is, can you take my money and can you pay me back? Can you also pay me back when you say you're going to pay me back? So I want to teach you guys about the best credit cards to build credit. And I've been building this blog for a while, this website for a while, to teach you about all these credit cards and have one centralized location where you can find all of these different credit cards. So let's go ahead and check this blog out. If you guys have any questions for me, don't forget you can always call or text me 833-RICKITA, and I will be happy to look over your credit reports with you. And then also I have my membership. So if you guys do call me, like right now, I'm not going to lie, my kids are getting out of school. So for summer, I'm only going to be able to take calls for people that's inside my membership. But I do have a dollar trial. Get the dollar trial. I'll be happy to look over your credit reports. But I'm only able to really take calls from those people that have my membership. So please understand that. And I'm so sorry if you guys want to look over your credit reports and you're not a member. I just cannot at this time because the kids getting out of school. And I'm trying to rush to get so many things done before they get out of school. So let's get into this video. I don't want to blabber on any longer about these different things, but I'll be happy to look over your credit reports and tell you what you need to do if you're inside of my membership. Now here is the blog that I told you I was building, and it's been taking me a little while to get this done, you guys, but it is definitely coming along. It's coming along for sure. Now this is my website, rickita.com. I'm still in the building stage. I'm planning to have this done by June. That's my plan. And before summer actually hit, I want to have this completely done and revamped. But this is my website so far. If you want to schedule a call, here's the link to schedule a call. You need help with home buying, definitely complete the application. Home tours, look at the different tours that I have here in Florida. That'd be great. If you guys need the membership, here's the different memberships here I have. And also I created a lot of different letters because I just see it's a lot of people out there that just can't afford to be a part of my membership. You know, we meet up twice per month. I send all the letters for you for free, but some people just can't afford to be a part of it. But I still want to help you guys. So I created dispute letter packages for late payments, student loans, collections, charge-offs, bankruptcies, and late payments, student loans, and collections and charge-offs. There's 6 letters. The letters that's going to the collection companies and also letters that's going to the credit bureaus. And I tell you what order to send them in. All you got to do is just plug in that information that I tell you to plug in. And then also for bankruptcy, you got 4 letters because you're not sending a letter to like an actual company. You could send a letter to the courthouse, but with the bankruptcy letter, I got the letters that's going directly to the credit bureaus to remove that. And then this is what you can use to remove those different accounts from your credit report. So definitely check that out. Now we're talking about the best credit cards to build credit. So while you guys are trying to build credit, definitely work to remove those accounts that's negative and it's inaccurate from your credit reports. Because if you're not doing that, they're not going to want to approve you for more credit. Like, who wants to get you a credit card if you messed up on other credit cards and they can see how you messed up? It's like cheating on somebody, and then the cheater, whoever you cheated with, is blasting your information like, yeah, he cheated, did this, cheating, did this, did that. Who wants to be with you? It's the same thing with credit cards. So let's go ahead and check out the best credit cards to build credit, because this list right here is very powerful. Because I always tell people to make sure you have at least 4 credit cards reporting onto your credit reports, and then also have at least 2 installment accounts. Now the self Visa card, this one, I always tell people, if you have a very low credit score, you can't get any credit card, go ahead and get that self Visa card, because they're going to be able to give you a credit card, because they're not going to check your credit at all. Now you do have to have their installment account first to get this one, but this one is a great one for you, so you can start building your credit up. And like I said, they're not going to check your credit at all in terms of trying to see what your credit score is to approve you. As long as they can verify you, they're going to give you a credit card. So check them out. Also, the credit builder card. This is another credit card when they're not going to do any credit check at all. I want to talk about the guaranteed, kind of guaranteed, should I say. As long as they can verify you, these are the ones that they don't care what your credit is. They're going to be able to give you this credit card. So go ahead and check out that credit builder card. And then they're able to give you 2 credit cards. Now, with the credit builder card, let me say this. I mean, with the self this one like a different, you need to watch this video to see how this card work. Like, you just need to watch it. Each of these credit cards I'm going over, they all have their own video, because some of these accounts, they just work differently, like not like a regular card. Now with the credit builder card, they're going to give you a credit card. It's going to have a $200 limit. They're going to report this credit card to the credit bureau before you even get the credit card, so you're going to see your credit score go up almost in like 2 weeks or less. But I can't guarantee it. But when I look at other people's credit reports, my clients, when I tell them to get this credit card, their credit score is going up very soon. So go ahead and get that credit builder card. And like I said, you can get 2 of them. So definitely check that one out. And that's for people that just, your credit score is just so messed up. Just be honest with yourself. Like, this, my credit score is so messed up, I can't get none of these credit cards. Get you a secure credit card, because I was at that stage too. I went from having over $70,000 in credit, messing up my credit. Then that's how I learned how to fix credit, because I had to fix my own, and then building it back up. And then I had to get secure credit cards to start building my credit. And I didn't even want to do it, y'all. But then when I started just getting a secure credit card, start building my credit score went up so much. And then that's what got me into, okay, now I can get American Express, I got Wells Fargo, I got Apple, I got Chase, I got all the different credit cards from going. And then my credit score went down to the 400s after that. So do not feel some type of way if you got to get a secure credit card. Please do not feel some type of way. That's just where you have to start, and you're going to be on top. That's just your new beginning. You got to start all over. They got to start trusting you again, okay? Now, this is the kickoff credit. This one, you can see somebody credit score went up 74 points. This one is very, very different, but I do suggest everybody get this one. But please watch the video first to see how kickoff work. We really don't have the time to go over that one, but you really need to watch the video to see how that one work. Now, the next, wait, one more card. Let me tell you these other cards first. 2 more credit card. If you got a great bank account, definitely get this one. I love my 2 more credit card. My only thing is they can approve you up to $10,000. Let me say that. My only thing about this one is, if I was to spend something on my 2 more credit card today, it's going to be due on Sunday. They don't play. Like, this is a charge card. You're not gonna just keep a balance on this credit card. So yes, they can approve you $10,000, but if you used to charge $9,000, no, that $9,000 is due on Sunday. But this is a great one if you want a company to report to the credit bureaus for you. And also, it is great if you guys just need to have, like, I use it for emergency. Something happen, I have no credit card on me, or I don't know. It's just emergency. I just keep it on my mind. Like, I just need some money, some reason, somehow. This would be a great one for it. That's what this 2 more credit card is for. Now, last but not least, one that's going to, like, guarantee I almost approve you is the Open Sky Visa card. Now, I had an Open Sky card, and I like this one because they do have an annual fee, but they can approve you without a hard inquiry. So if you guys did a bankruptcy before, this would be a great one for you, because they don't care if you did bankruptcy before. So this would be a great one for you. That's why I have to tell you about that one. Now, if you guys are like, Rickita, I don't know about some of these, like, my credit is decent, I can get a credit card, then pre-qualify for these next 3 credit cards, and hopefully they can approve you. Now, I tell you guys to aim to have at least 4 or 5 credit cards. That's what's really going to start building your credit. Once you start building your credit, getting those, doing good with those, then you can move up and get other credit cards that can give you, like, great rewards. Now, these are just the beginning. Pre-qualify for them and see what they say. So you got the Discover It Secure credit card. This one can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. I definitely like Discover, so definitely check that one out. You also have the End Rewards. Now, this one, you put a deposit down. These 3, I'm telling you, you put a deposit down, but about 6 to 9 months, they're going to give you your money back, and they're going to increase your credit limit. So somebody said they started off with like $1,000 for this one, and they went to $2,100 or $2,500. So check that one out. And then also the End Rewards can pre-qualify you same way. No annual fee, just like Discover, no annual fee. This one, you put $200 down, can go to $2,000 in about 3 to 7 months. So check that one out. And then also the Capital One Platinum Secure credit card. This is another great one. This one right here, this one can actually pre-qualify you again, no annual fee, and it's a $200 credit card. But if your credit score is decent, they may take you to only put $49 down. But look, there's so many other credit cards on here. So definitely come to my website, check them out, because those credit cards can definitely help you increase your credit score. And like I said, if you have any questions, I'll be happy to help you. Hopefully you guys found this useful. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you like this video, especially if this was helpful to you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video.